Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I are going to read the literary reading chapter 9. The chapter 9. The title of Javanese tale. Number 1. When Mr. Yoji Morita married Miss Tamiko Minemura last year, his father confessed the couple's new life together to a railroad train and along and no track. There may be a compressed and the channel ahead. He told them, but we wish you a safe journey. 2. The first year of that journey together has proved a variety of personal discomforts, but everything from dirty laundry to family finance for the newlywed. But overall, the young couples, who are typical of millions of Japanese, say their semi-arranged marriage is going well, and they feel a certain closeness slowly developing between them. They call it love. 3. I feel so relaxed when I get home with him, said the 27-year-old Mrs. Morita, who has given her job as a bank teller. 4. She doesn't need things, said her husband, a 35-year-old television film editor. The other day when I was sick in bed, she gave up a trip to the country with her friends to stay home and care for me. 5. During each of their sick day a week, they talk by phone and almost always meet each evening to make the 1 hour train ride home together. In the street they all had, in restaurant they sometimes playful touch each other. These are subtle but significant change in the growth of a Japanese married relationship, where open signs of affection have not been commenced. It is called the thread from the day when they meet at an arranged tea after their father. All friends from work exchange photographers and suggested that the possibility of a marriage between their two children. The two young people, who could have said no to the ideal, did not even get to speak at first. 10 days after this meeting, Mr. Morita wants Miss Minamura to preface. She decided almost immediately, but with the day to answer. 7. I will make you happy, Mr. Morita promised. 8. Then in October, Japan's most popular marriage month, the two families were joined in wedding and reception that cost about $13,600. It was planned to be the most important day in their lives. 9. The two newlyweds, who had never kissed each other until that day, spent their wedding night on the 19th floor of a nearby hotel. Then they left for a car shot there, vacation reason and a short honeymoon. 10. They lived in the two-upstairs room of the home of Mr. Morita parents. There they usually eat breakfast and dinner with the other couple and frequent watch an hour of television together. The mother-in-law cooked during the week, and the new bride cooked on Sunday. In exchange, the young couples pay $218 of their combined income for food and housing case they save 240 a month for the coffee shop that Mr. Morita would like to open, and for the 3 children they plan to have. When they have children, the bank may force Mrs. Morita to quit, or she may choose to. 11. I won't tell her what to do, said Mr. Morita. If she want to quit, okay. If she want to work, okay. 12. Politically, they have separate fees, but we never fight, Mrs. Morita said. We don't hit each other like some couples. If a quarrel is hitting off, then we both just keep quiet and let it blow over. Besides, he often apologizes to me, and that solves the problem. 13. But Mr. Morita has, in his first 13 months of marriage, sometimes been annoyed by what he regards as nagging. Typical, this happens when his livestock are scattered, but this carelessness combined with all the housework after a day work at the bank was the major unexpected fact of marriage life for Mrs. Morita. I have to tell him and tell him to pick up, she said. 40. There are two standard private moments, often at what when, for instance, Mr. Morita realizes suddenly that every weekend when his wife cooks a meal, it contains his favorite sweeties, or Mrs. Morita will think about the sweater she is knitting for her husband, not because I have to, but because I want to, or perhaps she will admire one more times the ring that her husband had a jeweler secretly designed and made for her recently. I don't know why I did it, Mr. Morita insisted. It was for no reason. 15. Last year, on her wedding day, when she was a bride of only a few minutes, Mrs. Morita said, I think that our love will start to grow from this moment on. The other evening, after 13 months of marriage, she was reminded of that. I remember she said, it is growing. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.